Here we have the UMIDIGI A1 Pro, a budget smartphone around £100. So a typical UMIDIGI box with the sleeve, take that off. It's a budget smartphone, so it has a quad-core CPU, has 3 gigs of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage. It's running Android 8.1, so the latest Android OS has been released. 3150 milliamp battery, 5.5 inch display, 720p resolution. It's 1440 by 720, so this is the 18:9 aspect ratio. Dual cameras, 13 megapixel and 5, with a front-facing 5 megapixel camera. It's also 4G enabled. It's also got band 20, the 800 megahertz, which does work on 4G in the UK. Let's take a look at her. Little message in there, link to the world. A user manual in here and your SIM tray tool, USB Type-C charging cable, and the standard UMIDIGI branded charging block. Okay, the A1 Pro. So it comes in a silicon case. Let's take that off. Yep, so one silicon case. And here we have the phone itself. Let's take the screen protectors off. Beautiful. Set the back. Oh yes, that's what I love. A beautiful design. Has that Lumia effect, which a lot of smartphones are having just lately, and the UMIDIGI A1 Pro is no different. Does look stunning. I think that's a plastic back. Almost certainly a plastic back. This is a budget smartphone. So it has shiny silver metal frame, power button, volume rocker up and down on the sides, USB Type-C. It's kept the headphone jack, which is great for some people. Little microphone there and speakers just there. On this side, it's completely clear. And at the top, your SIM tray. I believe that houses a nano SIM and one SD card, or it can have dual nano SIM. So it's a 5.5 inch smartphone and 18:9 aspect ratio, 720p resolution. My Pixel's 5.5 inch phone. Look at the size difference. Very nice compact size on the UMIDIGI A1 Pro. Feels solid. There's a nice bit of weight to it, but not too heavy. It does feel really nice in the hand. It's got curved back. Yeah, feels great, that does. So fingerprint sensor at the back, and then the dual cameras, flashlight, and on the front, so front-facing camera there, you can see earpiece and what looks to be maybe LED notification, or probably the proximity sensor. Let's turn it on. That was quite quick to pop up. UMIDIGI, beautiful. Really stunning design that is. Excellent. Hi there. Okay, let me set up quickly. Okay, we're back, all set up, and it is a stunner. Looks absolutely beautiful. It's got thin bezels, the edge of the smartphone. The screen, although it's 720p display, you would not think that at all. Beautiful colours, great detail. It looks premium. It looks and feels premium, although it's only, what, £100. Full HD in-cell display. 5.5 inch, but it's the size of a 5 inch smartphone. Really, really good size with a huge display, 85% screen to body ratio as well. So it's running Android 8.1, also has Face ID unlock, has the fingerprint sensor, and it has dual rear cameras. Let's test the bokeh effect. Switch straight to bokeh mode. Should be interesting to see how this works. Yeah, so the bokeh effect works to some degree, but it's not great. I will test further though over the next week or so. Let's try a normal photo. Let's go into video mode. Didn't check the settings earlier, did I? But that was shooting at 13 megapixel on the photo. Video is at 1080. You can turn image stabilization on. Let's try it. Here we go, video mode. So here we are on the UMIDIGI A1 Pro testing. Quick test on video. It also has EIS enabled too. Doesn't look too bad at the moment from here. Is the video quality and sound quality any good? Okay. Onto the front 5 megapixel camera. Go straight into normal photo mode. Here we go. Let's switch to video. What do we get on video front facing? 720p front facing video. Okay, so front facing camera on the UMIDIGI A1 Pro. What are your thoughts? Detail, sound quality. Doesn't look too bad on here. Doesn't look too bad at all. Okay, so Android 8.1. Nice transitions, early animation. Beautiful stock Android as well. Nothing on there that's not needed. No bloatware, which is absolutely great. But beautifully designed smartphone with a stunning screen for the price. Absolutely stunning. Let's have a look at the let's whack the brightness right up there. Very good viewing angles as well. Whoa, that's a bit over too bright there. Fingerprint sensor at the back. Yeah, it works. A little on the slow side, but that's what you're going to get with a budget quad-core processor. Oh, didn't lock it. Yeah, works, but yeah, a little bit on the slow side. Let's open up YouTube, have a look at some videos. Okay, here we have it. It looks excellent. Excellent display. Really, really nice. Pinch zoom, 18:9 aspect ratio. Yeah, I really like the display on this. It's only 720p, 1440 by 720, but it looks great. What are we running at here? 720p at 60 frames per second. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, I really like the display, guys. Super display. A great level of audio as well. Hugely. Nice and clear. And you can block the sound off quite well as well. I like that. Yeah, it's quite loud, some very good levels. Not too tinny either. That's great, really, really nice. I'm liking this at the moment, guys. The OS, build quality, the display. The sound is pretty decent as well for this budget smartphone. Unfortunately about the bokeh on the camera looks a little bit sketchy, but I'll do some more testing over the next week or so. See if I can do any more improvements on that. But the OS seems quite snappy. Got face unlock there, which I will test. Got to unroll the face first. Come on, let's quickly do this now then. Okay, let's stick my face in front of there. Move the phone closer to your face. Face unrolled. Okay, then you unlock screen. Press power button and light up screen to unlock face. Okay, let's try it, shall we? So it's locked. Okay, yeah, it's worked. And again. Probably faster than fingerprint. I wonder, can you use both at the same time? Yes, you can. You can use your finger and just your face as well. Face is probably slightly quicker in terms of unlocking, but probably not as secure. So guys, that is pretty much it. This is the stunning little phone here from UMIDIGI, the UMIDIGI A1 Pro. Really well designed, really well built, and a stunning finish. Really, really is. Have a look in the description below for the links. Just come in a few colours, black, blue, and I think silver. But it is a beautiful looking device for just around about £100. Definitely one of the better looking budget smartphones that I have used or unboxed recently, and that screen is excellent as well. Like always, I'll be back with my full review very, very soon on this device. But until then, thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.